So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. So Lead Code Weekly Contest Q4, fourth question which we are going to solve today. I will try to teach you this question in such a manner that you yourself are able to develop the intuition, develop the logic and develop the insight, because I don't want you to do rote learning. This is a hard unseen DP problem which you cannot find while doing standard DSA questions and easy medium lead code GFG questions and standard DSA sheet questions. This type of question is not available. This question involves longest increasing subsequence DP variation and optimization of the DP using segment tree. So those are the requirements of this problem. So before we discuss those things, we are discussing the question of what? Lead code weekly contest 500. But I taught a similar question in Lead Code Weekly Contest 499, which also involved LISDP plus segment tree. So if you do that question, then this question is super easy because there are 50% similarities in both the questions. That's why I've written here that once some basics of this question are clear, you can just go through the previous session. I uploaded its video as well. Okay. So go through this document and understand it thoroughly because I've taught here in a very nice manner. Once you are done understanding this, then this question is a piece of cake. That's why consistency matters in life. If you were active in my program and you were active in Lead Code Weekly Contest 499, then after 1 week, a similar question comes. And if you do that, you can become guardian on Lead Code. And then things will be so easy for getting shortlisted in on campus, off campus compared to the person who is not having good rating on Lead Code. Obviously, without any cheating. If you do cheating, then the rating does not matter. But these days, cheating on Lead Code has become very difficult because now they track your phone number. Once you get banned, your phone number also gets banned. So, guys, LIS plus DP. So, if you are a core student in the 851-hour course, 15-hour videos are there on LISDP plus segment tree plus optimization. If you do them, then also this question is super easy. So now let's directly jump to this question. So with the name of God Ram Ram, we start the procedure now. So guys, now listen to me very, very carefully. Okay. Question is saying that we are given an array. Okay, we are given an array and position is called a good position if nums of I is I. So you have to delete some elements, okay, and the remaining elements shift left and the blah 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 blah. The understanding of the problem is select a subset. Understanding of the problem is select a subset select a subset from the given array such that it has maximum good indices. What is the definition of good index? Ik, okay, index j is good. In every ingoing and outgoing breath, you have to take the name of God Ram Ram like this. So you can reach moksha, you can reach God. Okay. So index j is good if j is equal to a of j. So I think I need to define it in a much easier way. So explained in video. So I will try to tell you what they are trying to say. Let's 4, then let's say 8, 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now guys, you have to select a subset from this array. You have to delete some elements and you have to select a subset. So what can you do is, you can cut 8, you can cut 3, and you can select what? You can select 4, 1, 2, 3. So the first guy will get index 0 assigned to it. The second guy will get index 1 assigned to it. This get index 2 assigned. This get index 3 assigned. So how many good indices are there? 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good. So maximum 3 good indices you can get. You have to select a subset such that you are maximizing the number of good indices in the final subset. The final subset will have the indices like this only: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So given an array, this is so much complication is there, right? Given an array, find a subset such that given an array, find a subset such that all these things are, being followed without any issues. Okay, clear? So I will like try to give you some more example just to see if you guys understand. I am opening the Google chat. Everyone tell me which subset will you pick up such that the number of which subset will you pick up such that the number of good indices is maximum. Okay. So I have opened the Google chat. Use all your brain and tell me which subset, what is the subset which you will pick up from the array 086128345. Which subset will you pick up such that the number of good indices is maximum? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, Sairam, 868 is not good. You are supposed to remove 868 actually. So you remove 8, you remove 6, you remove 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the right answer. Why? Because now if you assign the indices, every index is matching. So the answer is 6. You are able to choose a subset such that there are 6 good indices. Okay. So seems like everyone has understood the question and no one has any problem. So nice to see that everyone is getting intelligent. Okay, nice. Good, 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 good. Okay, nice. Awesome. Congratulations. How do we solve this problem? Same concept which we use for longest increasing subsequence, we will apply it here and very nicely the freaking problem will be solved. If this is your array, the prerequisite is that you need to do my dynamic programming free course. Okay, so if you have not done that, this is the basic prerequisite. Videsikuna.in, you just go there. Okay, and you just watch the 5 DP videos because I have taught in a very unique, brilliant fashion. If you do this, then it is easier to understand what I'm teaching right now. Okay. So guys, what we do is we create a corresponding DP array, right? Now I want to discuss with you what will be the meaning of DP of I. So this is the DP array and let's say this is index I. So what will be the meaning of DP of I, guys? dp of I meaning will be, if you consider everything, if you consider this much array, what is the best good subset you can get and what is the maximum score of that best good subset. So guys, if you consider everything from index 0 to index I, what is the best subset you can get and what is the score of that best subset? I want you guys to write this answer in the Google chat. If you consider everything from 0 to I, then dp of I should tell you that if you consider everything from 0 to I, what is the best score you can get and what will be that subset. Tell me both these things in the Google chat. Guys, if this is your I is at number 3. So what is the best subset you can get for this much part of the array? And what is the score of that? So let's see what you guys have written. It is 0, 1, 2, 3 and the score is 4. So what is dp of I? What is dp of I? 4. So that's it guys. Now let's try to define dp of I in English language. So English language, if I try to define dp of I, it will be best score you can get by selecting a valid subset in the range 0 to I. But guys, in LIS thing, in LIS variation, one thing is always included. What it is? Make sure the element at index I is forcefully included in your subset. If you are doing many LIS variation questions, you must have seen that we are trying to find the best answer, but we are making sure that the number 3 is forcefully included in the subset. So whatever subset you choose, 3 will be there in it. If you know 3, then you can iterate over the second last elements, right? That's why we are doing all this tam jam. If you know 3, then you can iterate over the second last element. So 3 will be at the end and the other elements will be 0, 1, 2. The best second last element is obviously 2, right? Yeah. So anyways, yeah, last element इतने लोगों ने लिखा है guys. Congratulations emojis. कितना दिमाग होगा कि इन्होंने खुद से लिख दिया last element. Great job. Yes, and what is that if condition? You have to be careful. First of all, our number should be bigger, and then there is one more if condition, which some people miss, Raghav Dhingra. But Raghav Dhingra, because you were there in previous session, you must be knowing. Like, if you think a little bit, you will know. Anyways, let's start the procedure, guys. Guys, everyone in the meeting, you have to do my one job. And that job is ये post को please like कर देना और इस पे 30 like पहुंचा देना. 22 like हो गए हैं. मुझे Amazon OA के जो मेरा फ्री कोर्स है उसकी मुझे वो वीडियो चाहता हूं ज्यादा लोगों को मिले, इसलिए इसको लाइक कर देना कोई भी 8 लोग और 30 लाइक पे पहुंचा देना. इतना तुम मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो रिटर्न में. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोसीजर. सो गाइज, व्हाट विल बी डीपी ऑफ आई? रिलेशनशिप कैसे बनता है? गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड वाले की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. Relationship between DPI. So this is DPI, right? So let's say this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5. Tell me what is DP of 3? DP of 3 is 2. What is DP of 4? DP of 4 is 3. What is DP of 5? अब आएगा मजा. Let's see what you guys tell me. What is the best answer from 0 to 5? Can you create a subset from 0 to 5 such that last element is 8? And this 8 needs to be included. This means what? This means this 8 should be at index 8. It means there needs to be other numbers which will be at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See guys, try to understand the meaning. When you are saying DP of 5, DP of 5 pe what is the fifth element? 8. You want the eighth element to be at the eighth index because you are forcing it in your subset. It means you need 7 elements in the starts and there are 7 elements not available. So dp of 5 is not possible. dp of 5 is minus infinity. This is the thing which most of the people missed. लोगों ने हल्के में ले लिया. उन्होंने सोचा dp5 पे हाँ सर 8 डाल दिया such that its index will be 8 in the final subset. अरे बट 8वां इंडेक्स आ ही नहीं सकता है. अगर आपको 8 को जबरदस्ती इंक्लूड करके उसका 8वां इंडेक्स डालना है तो पहले 0 से लेके 7 इंडेक्स के एलिमेंट्स तो होने चाहिए. 8 एलिमेंट आगे होने चाहिए. 8 एलिमेंट है ही नहीं भाई साहब. So there is one more condition. Whatever is the number na, a of I should be less than equal to I or else dpi is minus infinity. ये जो भी नंबर लिखा है ना ये हमेशा इंडेक्स आई से छोटा होना चाहिए, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I am saying, now think why am I saying that? If a of I should be less than equal to I, why a of I should be less than equal to I? If a of I is less than equal to I, for example, here I is what, 6. So if what is a of I 3 is less than equal to 6 means after removing some elements this guy can have an index as 3. आज इसका इंडेक्स 6 है बट कुछ एलिमेंट्स निकाल के 3 का इंडेक्स 3 कर सकते हैं. ये तभी हो सकता है ना जब आगे वाला इंडेक्स ऑलरेडी अपन से बड़ा हो. तो अपनी वैल्यू इंडेक्स से छोटी होनी चाहिए बच्चा. इफ a of I लेस देन इक्वल टू I, अगर हम खुद ही बड़े हो गए तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज 5, दिस इज 8. Now, even if I remove some elements, the 8th guy will either become 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 0. It can never get the 8th index. The only way to get 8 index is add some elements here, but you cannot add, you can only remove. So this is the deep meaning, bro. dpi is minus infinity. Everyone write deep D double EP if you have understood the deep meaning कि जब जब ये कंडीशन नहीं होगा तो DPI पॉसिबल ही नहीं है उस केस में. DPI मतलब ith एलिमेंट को अपन को कैसे भी करके फाइनल सबसेट में I इंडेक्स पे बिठाना है. वो तो तभी हो सकता है ना जब AI की वैल्यू I से कम हो. If I try to speak in English, DP of I means I am coming with a propaganda. My propaganda, my agenda is that in the final subset the element I should sit at index I in the final subset. That can only happen if the current value is less than equal to I. If the current value is bigger than I, you can remove some left elements, but it will never reach the index I no matter what. Okay, but if it is less than equal to I, then the good thing is if you remove some elements, it can reach I. Okay. For example, at index 6, there is 3. Now, if you remove, let's say this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy, so 0, 1, 2, and then 3 can come. Okay. So if a of I less than equal to I, it works. But if you go with 5, you can see a of I is not less than equal to a of I. 5 is not less than equal to 8. So even if you remove some numbers, 0, 1, 2 at index 8, you can never reach 8. You can only reach indices which are less than equal to 5. So write D double EP deep. अगर deep understanding हो गई है कि ये condition है, हर बार काम नहीं होता है. जॉनी डेप मत लिखिए. Deep. Okay. So good. You have understood this thing. Great job. Nice. So guys, we now need to find the dp of I formula. What will be the dp of I formula? Answer is very simple. dp of I is max of dp of I comma dp of j plus 1 such that a of j is strictly less than a of I. क्या कहना चाहता हूं मैं? लास्ट एलिमेंट तो पहले ही फिक्स हो गया, तो सेकंड लास्ट एलिमेंट की पॉसिबिलिटीज जो जो हो सकती है उनको इटरेट कर लो ना, कल ही तो पढ़ाया था. You want to calculate dp of 6. The longest valid subset you can take till here. It is nothing but what? dp of 6 looks like this. You want to make a subset such that 3 is coming here and 3 is having the index of 3. So which guy can have the index of 2? Think about that. Only that guy can have index of 2 which is less than 3. React with emojis if you agree with me. A dp of 6 means my propaganda is to make sure that number 3 is having index 3. So that is fixed. Now which guy can have index 2? These are the guys which can have index 2. Can 8 have index 2? Try no. Only that guy can have index 2 whose value is smaller than me. Can the fourth number have index 2? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So dp of 6 is nothing but dp of 4 plus 1. What is dp of 4? What is the best sequence till here? The best sequence till here is 0, 1, 2. And if you add the third number 0, 1, 2 and add third number plus 1. So dp of 4 was what? 3 plus 1, 4. So dp of 6, 4. So whatever is the best sequence till 4, add 1 to that. dp of 6 is dp of 4 plus 1. dp of 6 is dp of 4 plus 1. Whatever is the best answer you get till 4, which is this, add 1 to it. Why? Because one element 3 is getting added. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are combining and they are living a happy life. So this concept I have taught in the previous video. So if you are watching this video and you want to understand in depth, first complete my prerequisite DP course, then go through the LeetCode weekly contest 499 question which I taught here. LC weekly 499 Q4 which is LIS plus DP plus segmentary, and then this session is piece of cake. So दुनिया में काम दाम करना पड़ता है. Clear? So guys, what is the formula? Formula is that DPI is this such that AJ is less than A of I. Okay, but guys, there is one more condition which you guys have forgotten. देखते हैं आप लोग में कितना दम है. Let's say this is index I. Let's say this is index 15 and the number is 8. Okay. Okay, sir. There is 6 at 14. At index 12, there is a 7. Okay. So DP of 8 can have two options. Like DP of 8 means what? Practically and theoretically, it means that you want your final subset to have, sorry, DP of 15, not DP of 8, DP of 15 actually. What is the meaning of DP of 15? DP of 15 means if you consider everything from 0 to 15, what is the best subset you can get such that the last element is 8 and it is at index 8. Yes, A of I is less than equal to I, 8 is less than equal to 15. So guys, who can become the seventh guy? Which element can come at the seventh position in our selected subset? There are two options. One option is DP of 14 plus 1. Another option is DP of 12 plus 1. Whatever is the best answer till here, take it like this, and at 12th position there is 7, you put 7 here and then 8. So You just put a 7 here and then 8, whatever is the answer, or you go ahead with the 14th guy, DP of 14 plus 1. So at 14th position 6 was coming, so at 7th position 6 is coming and then 8. So everyone react with emojis. If you can see two options in front of your eyes, you are iterating everything from 0 till here, and you're trying to pick up all the options one by one, and you're just hoping that it works out. DP of 14 plus 1 because 6 is less than 8, and that all DP of 12 plus 1. This is what you can see, and this is what I can see, and everything is going great, everything is going nice, life is awesome. That is 6. So what is that difference is what? Sixth guy is not getting 6. Okay, sixth guy is getting 7. React with emojis if all these things are clear to you. Till then, let me check something. Yeah. I minus j greater than equal to ai minus aj. So I minus j is what here? 15 minus 14. 1 needs to be greater than equal to 8 minus 6 2. So guys, the thing is that we have to prove that dp of 12 plus 1 is the correct option, but dp of 14 plus 1 is a wrong option. I will stay silent for a minute. Think why dp of 14 plus 1 went wrong. Where did we go wrong? Just think about it. Okay, just think about it. गलती यहां पर हुई कि अगर आप सातवें एलिमेंट को 6 घोषित करोगे तो फ्यूचर में क्या होगा वो सोचो जरा. फ्यूचर में क्या होगा? सातवें एलिमेंट को 6 घोषित किया, ठीक है. फिर आपको कोई नंबर लाना पड़ेगा जो 6 से कम हो, फिर कोई नंबर लाना पड़ेगा जो 5 से कम हो, ऐसा 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 नंबर लाना पड़ेगा. पर प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाएगा? कितने नंबर चाहिए अपन को? 7 नंबर चाहिए. इमोजी से रिएक्ट करके बताओ, इस दुनिया में क्या 6 से छोटे 7 नंबर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं 0 से 5 की रेंज में? अभी अपने पास ऑप्शन 0 से 5 का ही है. आफ्टर 6, बिफोर 6 आई कैन ओनली पुट नंबर्स व्हिच आर इन द रेंज 0 to 5, and I need to fill 7 such numbers. React with emojis and tell me, is 0 1 2 3 4 5 enough to fill 7 places in your subset? React with emojis and tell me. इसलिए और एक कंडीशन लगानी पड़ेगी. दिस इज सच अ नाइस ब्रिलियंट क्वेश्चन. अनदर कंडीशन इज that if the last element is ai and the second last element is j, so whatever is the difference, I minus j should be greater than equal to ai minus aj. ये किसने भी अपने वीडियो में नहीं समझाया अच्छे से. मैं समझा रहा हूं क्योंकि मुझे आपका सिलेक्शन करवाना है. ये आपको चैट जीपीटी भी समझा नहीं पाएगा कि ऐसा क्यों करना है. वो अंदर का फीलिंग तो मैं ही दे सकता हूं ना आपको. फीलिंग आपको आ गई होगी. क्या फीलिंग थी? फीलिंग ये थी कि आपने बहुत होशियारी से 6 को 7वां नंबर बता दिया. तो मतलब 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 यहां पर भी कोई नंबर्स आने चाहिए सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए, राइट. और यहां पर हवाबाजी में आप कोई भी नंबर नहीं ला सकते. यू कैनॉट डू हवाबाजी हियर. यू कैनॉट पुट एनी रैंडम नंबर्स हियर. ओके, you need how many numbers? You need 7 numbers. and 7 numbers are not available because the smaller numbers can only be from 0 to 5. So you need to be little careful. Okay, you need to be little careful because dp of 6 assumes what? dp of 6 assumes dp of 14 assumes what? dp of 14 assumes that you got a subset, you got a very great subset such that 6 was at the sixth position. This is the meaning of dp of 14. Okay, so there is nothing wrong in that, but it means that there is a subset possible where 6 is at the sixth position. So 6 at the sixth position can join with 8 with the eighth position if and only if there is some element in the middle. ये valid कब होता? ये कब वैलिड होता? अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता ना, 6 के बाद होता 100, 100 के बाद होता 8, then you can combine 8 with 6. Why? क्योंकि 6 बॉन्डिंग विथ 6 देन 8 बॉन्डिंग, दे कैन कंबाइन, बट बीच में कोई सातवां एलिमेंट तो होना चाहिए, बीच में स्पेस ही नहीं आ रहा है. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है, ये डिस्टेंस क्या है? j माइनस आई, आई माइनस जे. डिस्टेंस शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू ai माइनस एजे, ताकि बीच में कुछ एलिमेंट घुसा पाए. Such a deep problem opens up your brain. Wow. So what I'm trying to say is that 6 bonding with 6 can join with 8 bonding with 8 only if there is a seventh element in the middle. And here 6 was just coming after 8. There was no space. आपको पता है ना, ब्रेकअप के बाद आपको लड़की क्या बोलती है? I need some space. याद आया? इसका इन शॉर्ट मतलब होता है मेरे को तुमको छोड़ के जाना है. तो यहां पर इग्नोर इग्नोर इग्नोर, कोई कोई लोग को फिर पास्ट की याद आके दुखी हो जाएंगे. फॉरगेट इट नाउ. सो गाइज, बीच में स्पेस नहीं आ रहा है तो सातवां एलिमेंट घुसा नहीं पा रहे हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट we calculate the distance and we make sure that some elements can come. Later on you can meditate on this fact and you will understand what is happening. I minus j greater than equal to ai minus aj. प्रॉब्लम ये पढ़ाते वक्त तुमने नोटिस किया मैं 1 मिनट के लिए रुक गया था? मैं मालूम है क्यों रुका? मैं तो खुद से ही शॉक हो गया. मैं ना 15 मिनट पहले ये कोड लिख रहा था, ठीक है, और मैंने ये कोड ऐसा करके लिख दिया. अब तुमको समझाते वक्त मुझे पता चल रहा है कि इसके अंदर इतना डीप लॉजिक है. अब मुझे ये नहीं पता चल रहा है कि ये मैंने खुद से कैसे कर लिया. तभी तो मैं ऊपर ऊपर से सोच के कर रहा था, फिर भी हो गया. तो तुमको पढ़ाते वक्त मेरे को दिख रहा है इतना डीप है, तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा कि मेरे रिफ्लेक्सेस ने अपने आप कोड कैसे कर दिया इस चीज को. इन शॉर्ट, मुझे खुद पे भी ट्रस्ट नहीं आ रहा है, बट मैंने कर दिया तो कर दिया. एनीवेज, आपको तो समझ आ गया ना, इसलिए मैं 1 मिनट के लिए रुक गया था. ऐसा भी होता है, मुझे नहीं पता था. बेसिकली बिकॉज आई हैव डन लॉट्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस ना, तो मैं कुछ कुछ चीजें कर देता हूं, बट मुझे पता होता है कि मेरी औकात के बाहर किया है मैंने. थोड़ी देर बाद पता चलता है, और तुम लोग को देख के लगता होगा कि कुमार के क्या परफॉर्म कर रहा है, बट ऐसा भी होता है कि मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के थ्रू ही मैंने कर लिया होता है कभी कभी, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ पास्ट मेमोरीज एंड पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस. एनीवेज, लेट्स नॉट गो इनटू दैट डायरेक्शन. इफ यू डू लॉट्स ऑफ कोडिंग, आपके साथ भी ऐसा होगा. आप कर लोगे और आपको विश्वास नहीं होगा आपने कर लिया. सो नाउ एनीवेज, बट पढ़ाते वक्त सब क्लियर हो जाता है, क्योंकि पढ़ाते वक्त तो मैं चीटिंग कर नहीं सकता, दिखाना पड़ेगा जो भी है. सो एनीवेज गाइस, I minus j is greater than equal to ai minus aj. Guys, everyone write clear in the Google chat, and if everything is clear, O of n square solution is clear to everyone. So please, before writing clear, open this document and try to understand this thing. Till then, let's enjoy Amazon OA. You guys go through the code. I'm going to show you the code also, don't worry. कोड वोड आपको दिखेगा. और गाइस प्लीज Amazon OA का पोस्ट लाइक कर देना भूलना मत, ठीक है? वैसे तुम लोग ने कर दिया है तो थैंक यू फॉर दैट. अब गाइज, हमारा दूसरा काम क्या था? दूसरा काम है इंजॉयमेंट ही तो करना है, तो चलिए कोड वगैरह देखते हैं। टीएलई ऑब्वियसली सम टेस्ट केसेस आर गेटिंग टीएलई, इसी को ऑप्टिमाइज करेंगे हो जाएगा। सो गाइस सी, इफ ए ऑफ आई लेस देन इक्वल टू आई तो ठीक, अरे और एल्स माइनस इंफिनिटी भाई पॉसिबल नहीं है, भाड़ में जाओ। ओके, I assume that the length of the array is greater than equal to 1, so zero answer भी possible. Yeah. And guys, if it is less than equal to I, पहले dp of I को 1 डालने का, क्योंकि अगर कोई भी नंबर ना लो तो उस नंबर को तो ले सकते हो ना लेस देन इक्वल टू I, आगे के सारे नंबर डिलीट करके। If you give it index 0, sorry, if you take any random numbers from 0 to I minus 1, at least I will match I, not I will match I। कैसे समझाऊं मैं तुमको? जैसे कि dp of 14 आप कभी भी 1 ले सकते हो, क्यों? Because you want sixth guy at the sixth guys and there are 14 elements, so you can delete any 8 elements and there will be 6 elements, 14, right? So 0 to 14, 15 elements are there, you want 6, so 14 minus 6, 8 एलिमेंट्स को डिलीट करोगे तो 6 पे 6 टच हो जाएगा, एटलीस्ट एक गुड इंडेक्स तो बन ही जाएगा, राइट? सो डीपी ऑफ आई 1 एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू द पास्ट, making sure that if I minus j greater than equal to d, this is this. Everyone write clear in the Google chat if O of n square solution is clear to them, guys. Guys, O of n square solution is clear. Now let's go to the optimization, okay? So for the optimization, we are going to do something very interesting. We are currently doing dp on index, we are going to do dp on values, and then the problem is totally solved. Raghav Dingra, please watch the recording. This time you need to watch the recording, okay? Anyways, so guys, let me write here. मैंने basically, मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ बताना छोड़ा है। मैंने बताया है कि ये फॉर्मूला dpi is dpj plus 1, पीछे वाला नंबर अपन से छोटा होना चाहिए और ये दोनों डिस्टेंस बड़ी होनी चाहिए। रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना राघव टिंगरा, बिकॉज अब मैं रिकॉर्डिंग को बड़ा करूंगा तो फिर लोग रिकॉर्डिंग को देखेंगे नहीं, तुमको समझाऊंगा तो और बड़ा हो जाएगा रिकॉर्डिंग। So logic of 1 is clear. Now what to do? Do dp on number instead of dp of ranges, instead of dp of I. And guys, how to do that? Just watch this and you will be able to optimize. But I will give you some. Everyone write yes if you are ready for the optimization part. Thank you Hasan, thank you for letting me know about that. हाँ, अब ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ध्यान से सुनो, रोना मत, ठीक है? डीपी ऑफ आई का मतलब होता है द बेस्ट आंसर फॉर समथिंग फ्रॉम 0 टू आई, बट नाउ आई विल डू डीपी ऑफ नंबर। डीपी ऑफ नंबर का क्या मतलब होता है? एट इंडेक्स 14 देयर इज अ नंबर 6। अर्लियर dp of 14 was telling you what? The best answer from 0 to index 14. Now instead of dp of 14, I will say dp of 6. It is the same thing, but dp of 6 means best answer such that the last number of your subset was 6. So instead of index, I am going to the number. Index, this sign, number. Everyone write index dash number if you understand. I am shifting my dp from index to number. dp of I means best answer from 0 to I. dp of number means maximum cost subset such that the last element of subset is number. Okay, index to number। कभी भी ऑप्टिमाइजेशन करना है LIS में तो यही करना होता है। सो डीपी ऑफ नंबर में घुसिए क्या होगा, मजा आने वाला है। डीपी ऑफ नंबर मींस बेस्ट मैक्स कॉस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट सबसेट सच दैट द सबसेट एंड्स विद this number. Okay, now why am I doing dp of number? Because the numbers are only from 0 to 10 raised to 5 and the same thing I have taught in this session. Okay, अब मैं बताऊंगा इससे क्या फायदा होने वाला है। जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच। Guys, can anyone tell me what is the condition generally? If this is J index and this is I is the last element which we are fixing and J is the second last element. So what is the condition? I minus J should be greater than equal to AI minus AJ. So let's do some mathematics and then the things will be clear to you. In the hashing course, I taught all I on the same side, all J on the same side. So I minus J greater than equal to AI minus AJ. So I minus AI greater than equal to J minus AJ. Wow, nice, awesome. So guys, the problem has been solved. Why? I will show you why. I minus AI should be greater than equal to J minus AJ. So if I am at index I can calculate the value T, which is I minus AI, and dp of T will be what? dp of T will be nothing but I can make the relation with any second last element. I can make the relation with any second last element if its dp value, if this is let's say u, so dp of T is nothing but dp of u plus 1 such that T is greater than equal to u. T तो मुझे ऑलरेडी पता है I माइनस ए ऑफ I, और हर एलिमेंट का u I will pre calculate which is j minus a of j. So dp of D will be nothing but 1 plus max of all the values less than t are what? dp t minus 1 comma dp t minus 2 till dp 0. ये तो बच्चों वाली चीज हो गई. Okay, so when you are at index when you are at index I, initially we used to calculate dp of I, but now we will calculate dp of number. What is that number, guys? In our case that number is I minus a of I. So guys, there are so many ways, right? पहले अपन क्या कर रहे थे, अगर I पे 5 है तो मैं dp of I को बोल रहा था द बेस्ट सबसेट एंडिंग विद नंबर 5, बट अब मैं 5 ही नहीं करूंगा. I will instead calculate and store it as I minus a of I. So I minus 5. देख रहे हो कितने मजे चल रहे हैं. I minus a of I. There is no inherent meaning of I minus a of I. My index I is getting represented by I minus a of I. Everyone write in the Google chat. I is being represented as I minus a of I. And why am I representing it? Because that representation is working as per the formula, baby. Everyone write in the Google chat. I is being represented as I minus a of I. And why? किसने भी अपने वीडियो में ये नहीं बताया. लोग मालूम है क्या कर रहे हैं? बता तो आपको कैसे चोमू बनाते हैं. खुद को अच्छे से नहीं आता तो ऐसे ही दिक्कत होता है. वो लोग आएंगे सीधे बोलेंगे गाइस, if you observe now the formula is dp I minus a minus I this. अरे ये तो बताओ बच्चे को कि I minus a I आ कहां से रहा है. नहीं बताते लोग. वो इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला है. और ये फॉर्मूला कहां से आ रहा है? क्योंकि पहले 1 घंटा तामझाम किया, उसमें दिखा हमको ये सब. समझ आ गई सब बातें डीपली. So I is represented as I minus a of I. So what is dp of I minus a of I is the same thing, huh? dp of number, where number is what? I minus a of I only. Okay. So dp of number is what? 1 plus If this is the last element, then the second last element is represented by j. J is what? J minus aj. J minus aj is nothing but what? U. So dp of number is nothing but 1 plus max of dp of number minus 1 comma dp of number minus 2 comma dp of number minus 3 till dp of 0. हो गया काम खत्म. मैं तुमको कोई भी एग्जांपल दे देता हूं तो तुम एक झटके में बता दोगे मुझे. Let's say this is index 14 and this number is 5. So guys, what will you calculate dp of I minus a of I, 14 minus 5, which is dp of 9. dp of 9 का मतलब यही है, the best cost subset sum such that the last number is 5. dp of 9 का मतलब यही है. स्टोर डीपी ऑफ 9 में कर रहा हूं, मतलब वही है. अरे घर भाड़े पे लेके चेंज कर लिया, पहले आपका घर था डीपी 14, फिर घर को बना लिया डीपी 5, अब आ गए हो डीपी 9 में, मतलब वही है. जस्ट स्टोरिंग इट इन I minus a of I. So dp of 9 means best subset which you can get like this. तो आप ही सोचो dp of 9 का फॉर्मूला क्या हो सकता है. चलो सोचते भगवान ने बहुत दिमाग दिया है, सोचते हैं. लेट मी थिंक. 11 माइनस 4 क्या होता, नहीं बड़ा हो जाता ना, नहीं 12 ले लेते हैं. 12 यहां पर अगर मैं लिखूं तो 12 माइनस 5 माइनस 2 क्या होता है, 3. 14 माइनस 5 9. 12 माइनस 2 तो नहीं, 12 माइनस 3, 12 माइनस 4. ओके, कैन इट बॉन्ड विद दिस, यस और नो, टेल मी. कैन इट बॉन्ड विद दिस? दिमाग लगाओ. 12 बीच में 13, 4 5, हाँ जगह है, स्पेस इज देयर. I minus j is, if you calculate, if you keep this as j, you keep this as I, you will see that I minus j is actually greater than equal to ai minus aj. Okay, and why is this happening? Because what is 12 minus 4? It is dp of 8. So dp of 9 is nothing but dp of 8, 1 plus dp of 8. So whichever numbers have their differences less than equal to 9, they all are valid second last indices. Can you feel it? Right? Feeling in the Google chat. Whichever numbers have their j minus aj less than equal to 9, they all are valid second last element possibilities. That's why I am writing dp of 9 equal to 1 plus dp of 8, or if you find 7, then that also till dp of 0. Even dp of 9 is also valid because there is greater than equal to sign na. So don't forget that. Even dp of number you will also write. Why? Because there can be. अब बोलोगे सर डीपी ऑफ नंबर को आपने 1 प्लस मैक्स ऑफ डीपी ऑफ नंबर ही कैसे लिख दिया? ये भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है. क्यों? अरे क्योंकि क्योंकि बोल के मेरे को हनी सिंह का गाना याद आ गया, 4 बोतल वोदका. एनीवेज फॉरगेट दैट. क्योंकि 14 माइनस 5 9 है ना. अरे तो आगे कोई नंबर हो सकता है ना. समझो 12 और 3, तो 12 माइनस 3 भी तो 9 आएगा ना. तो इसमें डीपी ऑफ 9 का मतलब हो जाएगा द बेस्ट आंसर टिल हियर, और 14 माइनस 5 वाला मतलब बेस्ट आंसर टिल हियर. तो डीपी 9 अपडेट होता रहेगा भाई. समझ रहे हो बात को? मजाक नहीं चल रही है. The same difference can occur multiple times, but you don't need to worry, because when you are calculating dp of 9 for this now, it is assumed that the dp of the previous value till here have been calculated. So if a better dp of 9 is emerging, great job, take the maximum of it. I know I have explained in a way which went in your brain. So guys, that's it. Everyone write in the Google chat dp of number equal to 1 plus max of dp of number comma dp of number minus 1 comma dp of number minus 2. नंबर की जगह t से रिप्लेस करके फॉर्मूला हर कोई लिख दो. The final formula is at each index, guys, this is the code, this is the code for loop 0 to n minus 1. I am giving you the pseudo code. Okay, you will calculate t is what, I minus a of I. What is dp of t? dp of t is 1 plus max of dpt comma dpt minus 1 comma dpt minus 2 comma dp0. You have to write a for loop for that. So this takes how much time complexity? O of n. And this thing takes how much time complexity? Loop from 0 to t. So O of t. So guys, what is the total time complexity? O of n into t. Everyone write in the Google chat what is the total time complexity? n into t. n into t. अरे दिखती बात है ना, 0 से n minus में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. t का वैल्यू i minus a of I. dpt का वैल्यू is 1 plus max of dpt, dpt minus 1, dpt minus 2, dp. These all are the values which have been calculated previously most probably. अगर नहीं है तो इसको माइनस इंफिनिटी चिपका देना. ठीक है, जो जो डीपी वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट नहीं है माइनस इंफिनिटी डाल के खत्म करो बात को. और i माइनस ए ऑफ आई नेगेटिव आ रहा है तो भाड़ में जाए, उसको कैलकुलेट ही नहीं करना है. माइनस इंफिनिटी भाई निकालना ही मत. अगर t नेगेटिव आ रहा है तो आंसर वैसे भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. बताया था ना, i शुड बी लेस देन इक्वल टू a ऑफ i. भूलना मत. ओके, व्हाट कैन बी t? मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ t कैन बी व्हाट? अगर a ऑफ i 0 होगा तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ t कैन बी i and i कैन बी n. सो n स्क्वायर, राइट guys? This can be optimized with segment tree. I will not teach in this session how can you optimize it with segment tree, but common sense. Create a segment tree over the dp array. Now segment tree can tell you maximum from any maximum of the array from index 0 to t in log n time. Right? Yes, in the Google chat. If you attended my previous session where I taught the same thing, that you can find the max of the range, you can find maximum. अरे करना क्या है, 0 से लेके t तक का मैक्सिमम ही तो बताना है ना डीपी एरे का. वो अपन log n टाइम में निकाल सकते हैं. log कैपिटल n where n is the size of the dp array and dp array का साइज मैक्सिमम 10⁵ तक ही रहेगा. डिफरेंस है ना. i माइनस ए ऑफ आई क्या हो सकता है? ए ऑफ आई 0 हो सकता है, i 10⁵ हो सकता है, और क्या? वो भी 10⁵ माइनस 1 तक ही. ये यहां पर सिखाया था. तो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन आई विल नॉट टीच यू. All you have to do is find the maximum from dp0 to dpt without a for loop using segment tree. No need of lazy propagation, just simple segment tree which I taught in previous session. Previous session का वीडियो देख लेना. हर कोई यस लिखो अगर वो प्रीवियस सेशन का वीडियो देख के समझ लेगा कि रेंज का मैक्सिमम कैसे निकालते हैं एरे में. अगर उस रेंज का मैक्सिमम निकाल दिया तो n इंटू टी से n log कैपिटल n हो जाएगा. क्लियर? बिकॉज दे हैव टेम्पलेट्स एंड हाफ ऑफ देम आर चीटिंग. मैं होता तो कैसे करता, मैं बता देता हूं मैं कैसे करता. तुमको देखना है मैं कैसे करता इसको एग्जाम में. मैं सीधा यहां पर आता, दिख रहा है मेरे पास लीड कोड का सेगमेंट ट्री टेम्पलेट है, तो मैं ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करने वाला हूं. और लीड कोड मुझे चीटिंग के लिए पकड़ेगा भी नहीं क्योंकि मेरे पास प्रूफ है. ये कोड मैंने पहले कंपाइल करके रखा हुआ है. मैं सीधे यहां से सेगमेंट ट्री छापने वाला हूं, मैक्सिमम वाला. ठीक है, और मैं सीधे ये, अब तुम ही बोलो जरा मुझे बताओ, ये कोड लिखने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेगा. ये एक फॉर लूप और डीपीटी, ये ब्रूट फोर्स चेक करूंगा मैं 5 मिनट के अंदर. ब्रूट फोर्स चेक होते ही मैक्स फंक्शन की जगह सेगमेंट ट्री चिपका दूंगा, जो सेगमेंट ट्री का कोड मेरे पास पड़ा हुआ है. So Raghav, do you now understand how we solve in 5 to 10 minutes? Copy pasting from our own libraries, not from ChatGPT. Yes, it is allowed to use the template if you give the link of your template. लिंक से पता चल जाता है कब कब कंपाइल किया था, 3 दिन पहले, मतलब चीटिंग नहीं किया है. सिंपल. No, they don't report us if your template has a ID on link which is before the day of the contest. बट तुम लोग के पास वैसी ID on link नहीं होती है, उसके लिए पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है ना. तुमने कब पढ़ाई करके टेम्पलेट बनाए थे भाई साहब? पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है, समझे? नहीं तो पकड़ेंगे तुमको. ऊपर लिंक होना चाहिए बराबर, उस लिंक पे डेट मेंशन होना चाहिए कब का है. तुम लोग कहां पढ़ाई करते हो? तुम्हारे टेम्पलेट होंगे ही नहीं सेगमेंट्री के, तो बनाओ, आज ही बना देना, हेल्प होगी. सो गाइज, स्टॉप सेव.